So you may be wondering who I am. Well, I'm just like you. I was born just like you. I had my divine experiences just like you that you forgot. So we are one and the same. I just happen to have focused my attention all my life on healing, consciousness, and ways not only to help myself grow and evolve, but to help others. So, what we do basically after 50 years of integrating life experiences is we simply hold the state that we wish you to be because we see your potential already. And so we simply hold that state for your awakening to the awareness that you are, just like I am, and just like we all are. So we are all creatively, uniquely different, and yet the same. Pretty cool, huh?